Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So I am in Ikea. I came to get some things for the house, and come with me, let's go and shop in Ikea. I'm not spending a lot of money because I'm working with a tight budget.
told your friend you're not okay? And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay? Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong.
Hello friends, I am back from Ikea. I actually have a project this summer, and that's the reason why I went to Ikea. But unfortunately I couldn't get anything for that project I want to do. And every summer I have a project that I do in my house. I'm either repainting or changing something or doing something, but you know, I just have the opportunity every summer, spring, summer, to spruce up my space. But be that as it may, I wasn't able to get anything, but there's no way I will go to Ikea and not pick up, even if it is just one item. So I'm just going to show you the things I got from Ikea. I got this wine opener. How much was it? I got this wine opener from Ikea. I got this set of cooking spoons from Ikea. The ones I have are really, they've seen the best of my cooking. They are actually worn out. And there's this other one that I got from TikTok shop. I don't know where I've kept it, but I think I'm keeping that for my son for when he goes to the university. So when it's that time, I'm sure we'll find it. So yeah, so I got this set. I think it's just £5 from Ikea. I also got this hanger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I got 2 packs of it from Ikea. They were going for £5 each, I believe. And this is a bedside lamp that you hang over your bed cabinet or your headboard. This actually for my son. He went with me to Ikea, so he wants this and he will take to school. This also is for my son. He got this. He wants to hang it in his room and then hang stuff on it. So this is what's for. I think this is £12. I can't remember how much this is. The receipt is somewhere. I will look for the receipt and then put it. And then I got this vine. I want to hang them somewhere in the house. I think I know the perfect spot for it. These were going for either £1. Yeah, I think £1. And I wanted to get more, but my son said stick with the 2 I have. But don't mind them. I will go back and I'll get what I want. So this, my son also wants this to hang a poster on his door, not door, on his wall, the wall in his room. This was going for 50p. 50p. It was on sale, and I wanted to buy. I said to him, "It's so cheap, 50p. Can we get more than one?" And my son said, "No, Bobby, one is enough." So it helped me stay within budget. But honestly, the thing that took me to Ikea, I didn't find it. I didn't get it. So what that means for me is to either go check on Amazon and see if I want what I will get from Amazon, or I go to Shein or Temu. But my discouragement for Shein or Temu, I don't want to get order and then what I'm getting is not what I ordered for. But I'm sure I will, if I'm doing that now, I will have to get real and take my measurements and look at the description very seriously before I do that. But anyway, that's all I was able to do today when I got to Ikea. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe if you have not subscribed, and send me your comments. I want to read comments from you, and like this video and share this video. So from me, I'm signing off. Don't forget, I love you with the love of Christ. It's bye.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings.